The midlife facelift for the latest 2025 Nissan X-Trail family SUV is around the corner in the US, after an image of the updated design surfaced online over the weekend. However, it could be 1 or 2 years away from Australian showrooms. A leaked image sent to US website Carscoops shows the updated X-Trail sold in the US as the Rogue gains a restyled front bumper with a wider grille and a new design around the headlights and lower bumper. There's a bolder front bumper treatment with sharp diagonal creases connecting from the headlight assembly down to the lower air intakes. The grille has a similar shape but a less pronounced outline, though it now has prominent horizontal bars. There's also less brightwork around the lower grille. There are distinctive new wheels, finished largely in black but with polished tips. The X-Trail's North American cousin doesn't yet offer the e-Power hybrid powertrain recently introduced here, though it has dropped its naturally aspirated 2.5-liter four-cylinder petrol engine for a 1.5-liter turbo 3-pot with variable compression technology.